In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the password for your Axis Bank account. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar, just type in axisbank.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Axis Bank. Now in order to log into your account, just hover over to the login button and you will see various login options. Simply click on your appropriate login section and you will then be taken into the login portal. Now you can choose either your login or your customer ID or your debit card number and also your MPIN number in order to log into your account. In order to reset your forgotten password, you will find the Reset Here option underneath the Captcha section. Simply click on the Reset button and you will then be allowed to generate an online password. You will simply need to type in your login ID or your customer ID and click on the Proceed button, and after authenticating all of your details, you will be allowed to set up a new password for your account through an authentication email link within your email address. Once you click on this link, you will be allowed to set up a new password for your account. And after setting up your new password, you can regain access to your Axis Bank account even if you have forgotten your password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Axis Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.